Hey everybody, Eva Zacharia here for Weddings Made Easy, and today I'm inspired by Cinco de Mayo. Behind me is a super simple photo booth backdrop that you can DIY at the last minute for your event. It adds a great element of fun and your guests are sure to love it. Let's make one. Any colors of tissue paper will work for this. For mine, I chose a bright rainbow pack so I could decide if I wanted to use all the colors or just a few. Today, I'm going with pink, red, orange, and yellow. Fold your pieces of tissue paper in half lengthwise. Create slits about 4 inches high and as far apart as you want or don't want. Both the height and space between slits depends on how fringy you want the backdrop to feel. It's that easy. Then, cut across your fold to create 2 separate fringe pieces. I like to hang them in sets of 3 across to have a wide backdrop. You'll overlap them like this, either in single colors or sets. Repeat the trimming process in all your colors. Before you hang them on the wall, decide what order you want the paper in. It helps me to lay everything out on the floor, and I'm alternating colors one by one instead of doubling them up. If your tissue has a glossier side, make sure that is the one that's facing out. Grab your masking tape and you're ready to go. I like to use masking tape since it's a neutral color and easy to remove. You simply put pieces of tape across the top of each sheet of tissue paper fringe. When you get to the top, since you don't want the tape to show, you can use tape rolls. Place them as close to the top of your final piece as possible. Here, you'll also want to make sure that your edges are a little bit more even than the ones you're overlapping since they will be visible to your guests. You can hang a banner from the top or provide props for your guests if you want to add a little extra flair to your photo booth. Be sure to share yours on social with #WeddingsMadeEasy. As always, you can find more great craft ideas at MadeEasyDIY.com, at Weddings Made Easy on Instagram, and on YouTube. Happy crafting and Feliz Cinco de Mayo!